Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 5 pack, basically a Jurassic World 5 pack by Matchbox. And for the very first time on this channel, I will be reviewing a dinosaur. This 5 pack does come with 3 cars, a motorcycle, and a dinosaur in it. So let's open it up and see how does everything look. So these are the 5 items from the Jurassic World 5 pack. To get a SUV, which is I think it's a Mercedes M class. I'm not sure. I'll have to go through that. You get a dinosaur, you get a Humvee, you get a motorbike, and you get a truck. So let's review all of them in the order they are laid out. So this is the first one. This is a Mercedes ML320. It does seem like it's been heavily modified for use in obviously a dinosaur park. So you do get camouflage paint. Looks like metal bumper with winch. Nice details up front too. You got painted headlamp, Mercedes badge, and the grille. I don't know if it's for a bigger engine or just to save the engine. You also get both the mirrors, windshield wipers. On the side, you do have this wheel flares. This looks like again plastic pieces like cladding, just to save them from getting scratched. So you got side steps and windows. They look like they have parts in them. You can again save them from breaking up, I guess. Roof seems to be slightly modified. It seats like you see on the vans, with the raised to have more headroom, and it is all glass, so basically it's made to look out. Spare wheels again mounted on the roof, I think to have it better clearance in the bottom. You do get this fuel filler on the driver's side. Moving to the rear, again it seems like there's some details on the tail lamp, not all of them, but on the side you can see their details. And the window again looks like they have bars in them, or metal, just to save them from breaking. Metal bumper at the bottom. You don't get any badge or any other number details in the back. Again the camouflage paint continues. Passenger side looks almost identical. The difference being the fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the top. You can see the interior there, finished in black. Usually these cars do have some equipments, but I can't really see it. So these I mean the Jurassic World cars, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall it looks like really nice casting. Looks really good. Now let's move to the next one, which is a dinosaur. I don't know how I'm gonna review it, but I'm just gonna show you. So here it is, and I know nothing about dinosaurs, so it looks good. It's got eyes and this blue color. If you're one of you knows which kind of dinosaur it is, you can drop a comment. So you do get this with the 5-pack, and you also get the Matchbox logo on his feet. Now let's move to the next one, which is a motorcycle. Which is the Humvee. Let's go to that. So unlike the Merc SUV we saw, this isn't finished in camouflage. Instead it's finished in a gray shade, a matte kind of gray finish. It's the classic Humvee with boxy doors, roof hatch, bull bar. It's more than a bull bar, so front bull bar kind of thing. Wheels, we have seen them in so many different Matchboxes at the time. They look alright here. You also get this Gen N written on both the sides. You do not get any painted tail lamp or headlamp details, and even the windows and windshield is black, so you can't really see if there's an interior or anything. But yeah, you do get all the other Humvee details, like this small opening in the hood. You do get this long travel suspension, very squarish windshield, squarish window, this rear hatch. So yeah, for a Humvee it's nicely detailed, but again misses out on headlamp or tail lamp details. So looks from the bottom. Yep. So let's move to the next one, which is a motorcycle. So I don't exactly know which motorcycle it is, but it looks more like Ducati's Hyper Naked, I think it's called. Yeah, it looks like that. It's a dual sport kind of motorcycle. So you do get some good details here. You got a detailed headlamp. You do get mirrors, and I think these are called, I can't remember, covers for your hands. You got those. You got wheels with spoke painted, which again looks good. We also got a bunch of luggage in the back, as you can see. Looks like rolled up tent, bags, and more luggage on the top. We do have this nice red paint with black seat, and even on this side you do have details on the engine too. Engine and gear lever. Do have brakes here. I don't see any brake on this side. So there are good details on this side. As you can see, in the body panels are detailed, not painted nicely. And you got the detail for the engine. You got the you got chain here. So you got nice details on this bike. Wasn't expecting that many details, but it has got some nice details on the bike, and I think it looks good. So let's do the 5th casting from this 5-pack. So this one looks like a big, I think those are 6x6 trucks, and looks like one of those mine protective or bulletproof truck. It does have some kind of camouflage paint on it. It's basically finished in blue with this camouflage. I don't know if those are like scratch marks from a dinosaur. They're trying to show that. Does get this huge wheels, which looks like a huge tire with this wheels, which look like steel wheels. You do get Matchbox written on the tire. In the front, you've got this big bull bar. I don't see any headlamp details. I think there are lights here, lights on the bottom. Windshield again is you have this metal mesh to protect it from from dinosaur from breaking in, I guess, in the movies. It does look like those army vehicles you see sometimes. I'm assuming the driver's side is on this side, so looks like you've got a small mirror here. You get a bunch of, I think it's a toolbox. Looks like one. I'm just guessing here, and this might be the fuel tank. Not sure. It does have a hatch in the top. I think to open up to shoot, maybe. Auxiliary lamps, and surprisingly the bed is open, so you do have a cabin and the open bed, and you get steps from here to reach in the bed. I don't know if the bed is for sitting or storing something, and these look like you do have storage compartments here. On the passenger side looks almost the same. You do get the small windows, mostly bulletproof kind of windows, very small, thick. I can't. There are a lot of small details, but I don't think I've seen the recent Jurassic World movies, so I can't really relate to it. But yeah, it looks like one of those military trucks you will operate in forest with 6x6. Yeah, so this was the last one from the 5-pack. I think it's a nice 5-pack. Let me just bring all of them to show you, and I think it's good. So here's everything from the 5-pack, and I think it's really good. I will say the Merc and the bike are the two top of this casting. I don't know much about dinosaurs, but I think these two are the most nicely detailed, but the Humvee and the big truck also looks good. So those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.